Science Year 4, Unit 4, Plants. Learning Standard. Pupils are able to state that plants respond to stimuli through observations using various media. Relate parts of plants that respond to different types of stimuli. Conclude that parts of plants respond to stimuli by carrying out investigations. Explain the observations on responses of plants to stimuli through written or verbal forms, sketches, or ICT in a creative way. Now, look at your textbook, page 69. Taruni helps her grandfather at a vegetable farm. What can you observe? Wow, there are so many pumpkins. Why is this part of the plant coiled around this pole? Textbook page 70. Plant responses to stimuli. Like humans and animals, plants also respond to stimuli such as water, gravity, light, and touch. Let us look at the picture below. Roots. Roots respond and grow towards water and gravitational pull. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards Earth. Roots respond and grow towards water. Picture A. The roots grow downward. Picture B. The roots grow towards water, which is on the right side of the container. Roots also respond and grow towards gravitational pull. Picture A. In a normal condition, the root will grow downward. Picture B. When a potted plant lies horizontally on its side, you can see the effect of the root's growth on picture C. The root bends downward. Textbook page 71. Shoots. Shoots respond and grow towards light. Leaves. Leaves of some plants respond to touch. Science info. Some plants, such as Mimosa pudica and Venus flytrap, will droop and fold their leaves inward when touched. Based on the picture above, what can you say about plant responses towards stimuli? Textbook page 72. Let's test. Responses in plants. Activity 1. Aim. To investigate whether roots respond to water. Hypothesis. Roots respond to water. Apparatus and materials. 3 newly germinated green bean seedlings, cotton, straw, double-sided tape, water, marker pen, Petri dish. Steps. 1. Place the green bean seedlings on a double-sided tape in the middle of the Petri dish. 2. Put cotton on the left and right sides of the Petri dish. Then, mark their positions as A and B using the marker pen. 3. Add a few drops of water on cotton A using a straw until it is damp. 4. Observe the growth of roots of the green bean seedlings every day for a week. 5. Record your observations in the form of sketches. Questions on textbook page 72. 1. In which direction do the roots of the green bean seedlings grow? The roots of the green bean seedlings grow towards cotton A that has water. 2. Is your hypothesis accepted? Yes. 3. What is your conclusion based on this activity? Roots respond to water. Textbook page 73. Activity 2. Aim to investigate whether roots respond to gravity. Hypothesis: roots respond to gravity. Apparatus and materials: 8 newly germinated green bean seedlings, cotton, straw, water, tile, petri dish, double-sided tape, modeling clay, plastic food wrapper, skewer. Steps: 1. Line the petri dish with cotton. Then arrange the seedlings on a double-sided tape in different positions. 2. Add a few drops of water on the cotton using a straw until it is completely moist. 3. Wrap the petri dish with a plastic food wrapper. Then make a few holes on its surface using a skewer. 4. Hold the petri dish upright on the tile using the modeling clay. 5. Observe the growth of the roots of the green bean seedlings every day for a week. 6. Record your observations in the form of sketches. Questions on textbook page 73. 1. In which direction do the roots of the green bean seedlings grow? The roots of the green bean seedlings grow downward. 2. Is your hypothesis accepted? Yes. 3. What is your conclusion based on this activity? Roots respond to gravity. Textbook page 74. Activity 3. Aim to investigate whether shoots respond to light. Hypothesis: shoots respond to light. Apparatus and materials: 2 beakers filled with damp soil that are planted with chili plants, 2 shoe boxes, knife. Steps: 1. Label both shoe boxes A and B. 2. Make 1 hole on the left side of box A and the right side of box B using a knife. 3. Place the beaker with the chili plant in each box. Then close the boxes. 4. Place both boxes in the sunlight. 5. Observe the growth of the shoots of the chili plants after a week. 6. Record your observations in the form of sketches. Questions on textbook page 74. 1. What are the conditions of the chili plants in boxes A and B after a week? The plants grow and produce new leaves after a week. 2. In which directions do the chili shoots in boxes A and B grow? The chili plants in boxes A and B grow towards the holes after a week. 3. Is your hypothesis accepted? Yes. 4. What is your conclusion based on this activity? Shoots respond to light. Textbook page 75. Activity 4. Aim to investigate parts of a plant that can respond to touch. Hypothesis: leaves of Mimosa pudica respond to touch. Apparatus and materials: Mimosa pudica. Steps: 1. Touch the leaves of Mimosa pudica with your fingers. Observe. 2. Record your observation in the form of sketches. 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2 by touching the flower and stem of Mimosa pudica. Questions on textbook page 75. 1. Based on this activity, what can you observe about the leaves, flower, and stem of Mimosa pudica when touched? The leaves of Mimosa pudica fold inwards when touched, while there is no changes for the flower and stem. 2. Is your hypothesis accepted? Yes. 3. What is your conclusion based on this activity? Leaves of Mimosa pudica respond to touch. 4. Give examples of other plants that respond to touch. How do these plants respond? Venus flytrap. It closes when an insect or other objects touch it. The end.